Greetings, up for sale today, this 1955 Chevy Bel Air. Vehicle's in outstanding condition, beautiful. It's got headers on it, it's got a lot of extras on there, a lot of add-ons. We'll go ahead and place as much information we can on the ad, but the vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out, really in outstanding shape. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. We'll go panel by panel. Front bumper is flawless, beautiful condition, really outstanding shape. Headlights also in outstanding shape. Take a look at the grille, also in beautiful condition, very nice, really beautiful shape. Take a closer look there. Does have a couple little water spots on it or whatever, no big deal. It looks very nice. Taking a look at the hood, hood's in beautiful condition, very clean, super clean, very nice shape. Front fender on the driver's side, outstanding condition. Look at that, beautiful shape, no marks or anything to show there. Driver door also in outstanding condition, beautiful shape, very nice. Quarter panel on the driver's side, also in outstanding condition, really beautiful shape throughout, very nice. It's a little bit of wax on there, really in beautiful shape. Look at these lights, chrome on them are perfect. They look blocked out, very nice condition. Take a look at the rear bumper, also in outstanding shape. Look at the rear lights there, very nice. This one actually has a third brake light. This lights up when you brake, which is a nice feature there. Really in outstanding shape. Does have a little imperfection here on the paint. Let's take a closer look at that. Yes, little imperfection there and there on the paint. It's the only one I see, yep. Taking a look at the quarter panel on the passenger side, outstanding condition. Another little imperfection there on the paint. And another little mark right there. Quarter panel looks good, very nice, clean throughout, beautiful condition. The chrome's really in beautiful shape, look at that. Really in outstanding shape. Very nice. Take a look at the passenger side front door. Oh my goodness, look at that. Beautiful condition also. Very clean. Look at the chrome on there, the handles and everything around the glass. This one has that upgraded little cover here. That way when you close the door, you don't get any air. Look at that. You don't get any sound inside the vehicle. Look at that, how nice that is. Let's do it again. When you close it, it latches in, closes it up. Very nice. Beautiful condition. Two little dimples here on the chrome. Nothing major there. Really nice shape, man. Front fender on the passenger side. Beautiful condition. Clean throughout. Very nice. Windshield looks beautiful. I don't see any cracks, no marks or anything on it. Very clean. The roof on top is also in beautiful condition. Very nice. As clean as it can get. Look at that. Really beautiful condition. Okay, stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, then we'll take her for a little test drive. We're taking a look at the driver's side door panel. Door panel looks good. Beautiful shape. Very nice. Really in outstanding condition. Take a look at that front seat. On the driver's side, also in beautiful shape. Very clean. Rugs are good. They look very nice. This one has power, it has tilt steering wheel, very nice. Power steering. It's got the Hurst shifter, look at that. Beautiful condition. Rear seat also in outstanding shape. Looks brand new. Really in outstanding condition. Let's take a close look at this door panel on the driver's side. Take a look at there. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Two-tone. This car does have an upgraded radio. It's got a couple Alpine speakers. Really beautiful condition. Look at that. Very nice. Let's look at the bottom here on the door. Rubber, everything looks good on there. Really in outstanding shape. Let's take a look at those jambs. Also in beautiful condition. Very, very nice. Really outstanding shape. Let's take a look at the seat. Passenger side front. Beautiful condition. Two-tone. Rugs look good. Very nice. We'll take a look at the dashboard in a moment. Beautiful condition. Look at that. Really in outstanding shape. Very, very nice. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're gonna start this baby up. 1955 Bel Air. Vehicle's in beautiful condition. Go ahead and start it up. You can check all the gauges, see everything's fully functional. Here we go. Starts up perfect, really nice. Let's take a look at the gauges on this thing. It's got the oil pressure gauge right here, really nice. Water temperature gauge. It's got the volts, RPMs. Fuel gauge is working perfect. Temperature. Take a look at the mileage. It's got 35,000. It's got 3,529 miles. That's since they restored this vehicle. It's got the wiper controls there, the ignition. It's got AC, Alpine radio in dash. It's got the clock there, really nice. Look at that dashboard, looks beautiful, man. Really in outstanding shape. Steering wheel's in beautiful condition. It's got tilt steering with power steering. Look at that. Up above here, look at the liner on this thing. Looks brand new. Rear seats, everything looks beautiful on this vehicle. Super, super clean. Really nice. It's got seat belts on it and everything. It's got a 4-speed manual, Hurst shifter. Really nice finish there. The little glove box here. There you go. Not a lot of space in there. A couple things in there. Really nice. Let's go ahead and cut on the AC. AC works good. Nice and cold. Really in beautiful condition, man. Very, very nice. The RPM gauge. Super, super nice. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ahead and take it for a little test drive. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're sitting inside this Bel Air. Gonna go ahead and take it for a little test drive. Bear with me that this is a stick shift vehicle, so it's very hard to drive and hold the camera. Stop sign. Car stops really nice. Brakes are good. A lot of power, man. It does have AC. I don't have the AC on right now, but we'll test the AC in a moment. A lot of power, man. Now we're going to take it for a little ride on this straightaway here. Feels really good. A lot of power, man. off. Going about 50 miles an hour. Odometer's working good. All the gauges are fully functional. Really nice. Okay, stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look under the hood and take a look on the bottom of the vehicle and inside the trunk. Okay, we're taking a look in the trunk. Trunk's finished really nice. Very nice condition. As we all know, the battery's back here. There you look at that. Die-hard battery. It looks good there. Rug's in nice shape. Does have a little bit of fading here towards the edge. And it's got a little storage back here. Really nice. Look at that. Nice little storage there. Beautiful condition. Up above here, as you can see, it's nicely finished. Really nice. Let's go ahead and look at those jambs here. Really nice condition. Beautiful condition. Very nice. Taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in brand new condition. Vehicle has headers, upgraded Holley carburetor, MSD Ignition, upgraded AC, really in beautiful condition. Take a look at the front tire. On the driver's side, tire looks good. It's brand new, very nice condition. Rim is clean. Really in great shape overall. See a little bit of wear and tear here and there. Nothing major. Besides that, looks very nice. Look at the rear tire. Rear tire's in beautiful condition. Looks brand new. Very nice condition. Rim is clean. Does have a little bit of wear and tear here and there. Nothing major. Besides that, it's in beautiful condition. Look at the back tire. Beautiful condition. Looks brand new. Look at that tire tread. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Does have some wear and tear here. Besides that, looks very nice. Really nice looking tire. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire looks brand new. Look at that. Really outstanding shape. Very nice. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Does have a couple little wear and tear here. No more wear and tear, but looks very nice. That's going to conclude our video for this 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door coupe with the 502 engine, customized, upgraded, really in beautiful condition, really in outstanding shape. It's got headers, MSD ignition. It's been upgraded, very nice.